Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how much creatine is in different forms of food. Now I became interested in this ever since I started the carnivore diet, and I heard the following quote from a prominent carnivore online, and that says, if you need to supplement, by definition you're not consuming an optimal diet. Now creatine is one of the most popular supplements out there. I don't know anyone who really thinks that taking creatine is a bad thing, and there are so many positive effects from it. It's an essential nutrient. So what I was interested in is, okay, so if I'm not going to supplement, am I getting enough creatine from the food that I eat? Because, for example, vegans, they can't get enough vitamin B12, which is an essential nutrient, so they have to supplement for that. So I was sort of scratching my own itch really and figuring out, do I need to supplement on the diet that I'm doing? So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kieran. I make videos on helping you to lean down, get visible abs and get shredded, and also documenting my own physique journey. I'm currently lean bulking at the moment. So yeah, let's get into it. Joint seventh is bison, which used to roam the Americas a lot, but their numbers have massively decreased in recent centuries. And so yeah, we've got three tied for seventh, and this is 0.4 to 0.5 grams of creatine per 100 grams of bison. Same with venison and also beef as well. Now, beef is what I have mostly at the moment. I pretty much just have beef, eggs, and butter. That's all I really eat at the moment. So it's good to know that I'm getting quite a bit of creatine from that. So fourth is salmon, 0.45 grams per 100 grams. Before we get to the rest of them, I found out through researching for this video that cooking can actually reduce the creatine content of the meat. So basically, the longer it's cooked, the more creatine it loses, but quite a lot of it will be in the juices. So if you pour the juices back over the meat, then you should get some of that back. So we got 2 and that is lamb, 0.45 to half a gram per 100 grams. You'll see they're all very similar, to be honest. And pork as well. So before I let you know the number one, there's some honorable mentions. And to be honest, it's pretty much just any other kind of meat and fish. They all have at least 0.3 grams. So it's all quite close. So the number one, which I was not expecting at all, is actually herring. So I don't think I've ever tried herring, to be honest, but apparently it's very high in creatine, 0.65 to 1 gram per 100 grams of herring. So the recommended daily dose for creatine is usually like 5 grams. So you can see that you can get plenty from your diet, but to be honest, I don't see much of a problem at all with supplementing it, particularly if you're not on like kind of a meat heavy diet, and particularly if you're like a vegetarian or vegan, then I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, I'm undecided yet if I will start supplementing it again. But yeah, that's everything for this quick video. If you want some one-to-one coaching for body transformation, then click the first link in the description. But apart from that, that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.